Hi, just a short video showing the condition of this Dyson V6 car stairs upholstery vacuum cleaner. So it comes with everything as pictured. Comes with motorised stairs upholstery hair brush cleaner tool, a used combination and crevice tool, brand new replacement power supply, and then the main head itself. The filter has been washed and dried, the head's been washed and dried, the bin's been washed and dried, and this has a brand new, I purchased last week, battery, a 6000 mAh battery, brand new. It has two modes: economy, press the button, and maximum. Economy mode, battery lasts longer until you have to charge it. Max mode, battery drains a lot faster. I'll show it working quickly. Very easy to use. I do have another 10 variations, at least another 9 I should say. They are all used. Has used marks, little knocks as you can see here. But with a brand new battery, it's in full working order. Any questions at all, please just ask.